Hey guys, Danny here. I'm very excited to share this product with you today. This is a fitness band and it can be used to track your heart rate and many other fitness statistics as well as your sleeping pattern. I'm very excited to share this product with you, and the reason being is because I can't quite believe the price that you can pick these up for. This fitness band is currently on sale for £22 on TomTop, and that also includes free shipping, which I think is an unbelievable price, especially when I delve into what this thing can do and how good it is overall. So if you want to pick one of these up, I will put a link down in the description for you, so be sure to check that out. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the display on this product, because it is an AMOLED display and it really stands out above the rest. If you've used an AMOLED display in something like a Samsung phone before, you will know they are super bright, offer some very vivid colors, and just overall offer a very good viewing experience. And it's no different on this fitness band. You can see here that the screen is very nice and responsive, and actually in this camera shot it doesn't quite do justice how bright this screen can get. It can be used in full daylight very easily and you can see exactly what you're doing, and the touchscreen is very responsive. Not that it's really needed in this type of device, but it also has exceptional viewing angles and it doesn't really seem to drain that much battery. So as one of the most important components for this device, it is exceptionally good for the price that you're picking this product up for. Next up, I want to talk about the user experience, which can often be a low point in these smart bands. Now, whether it is seeing your incoming text messages, your incoming calls, or simply tracking your heart rate, this device does all of them very well and makes it very simple and intuitive to navigate at the same time. On top of that, this device offers a good amount of customization. You are able to easily customize the watch face of your device, and also during my review of this product, I received several firmware updates which enabled me to customize the watch face from my smartphone and enabled me to download and install additional watch faces, which further extended the customization experience of this product. There were some minor things that I would like to change, but these would probably be nitpicking, like for example, on some of the watch faces you would get a battery status on your main screen, and on some of them you wouldn't. I wish this was an option you could toggle. But again, that's me nitpicking, and overall I did really enjoy the experience. Something to note, to properly use all of the features you are going to need to download Huawei Health and sign up for an account, which is a little bit of an additional step if you are currently using another service, and maybe a little bit frustrating for some of you. I do sometimes get a little bit annoyed having to have an account for every different device that I test, but it does offer some very good features and some very good tracking that I will break down for you now. There were several features that stood out to me, and the first one was the sleep tracking. By default this is turned off and you have to turn it on using the app. So this is one example of why you need to use this, as you won't get the full list of features otherwise. You also get a history of how well you slept, the time you slept for, and it will even further break down the quality of your sleep based on your movement and some other factors as well. The next feature of course would be the heart rate tracker, and there is an additional option which I like about this one in particular, and that is you can set this to be on continuously to measure your heart rate in real time, or you can do it so it periodically measures your heart rate throughout the day, which is what I chose, and both of these say they will use additional battery life, but again they didn't seem to affect it too much. And I did much prefer this option because I would like to get an overall reading of what my heart rate is like throughout the day, then I can compare that to, for example, when I'm exercising. So now let's talk about the band and how comfortable it is to wear and just my overall feelings. I've been testing this fitness band for about a week, and I've been taking it to the gym with me, testing out the heart rate sensor, and just the general use and operation of the device has been very good and snappy. I've also seen several updates. The heart rate reader seems relatively accurate, so I'm happy with that. The strap design is pretty non-intrusive. It doesn't feel like it's digging into your skin unless you have it too tight, and it's pretty easy to take it on and off. I would have liked a slightly easier system if you want to take off the watch very quickly, as sometimes it can get caught, but overall it's not too bad. I was also very happy with the battery in this product. I was able to get almost a week of pretty heavy usage, including updates, a lot of use of the screen and the heart rate sensor, but you could even get longer than that if you turn off some of the additional features that I had turned on. Some of them are off by default, so if you just use the default options you may get a longer battery life, and it also has an impressive standby time. Lastly, the charging is also pretty fast. You'll be able to fully charge this device from empty in under 2 hours, which isn't too bad. For a small battery I would have liked something a little bit quicker, but for the time that you can use this device for, I don't think that's a deal breaker. I have no problems recommending this product. For its price, I think it is an absolute steal, so if you are thinking of picking up a fitness band, I think this may be a really great option for you. As always, I'll put a link down in the description for you, and the supplier has also given me some coupon codes, so be sure to check that out. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.